Hello Amazons, and this is a sponsored unboxing from Jewlybox. Jewlybox is a monthly subscription service, so check out their website. I will link everything below. So they sent me a package and it came in this really cool, pretty packaging. Comes once a month and you get to choose gold tone or silver tone. So here I'm going to open it up. I wanted the gold tone just to see how everything holds up. So here you can use code Tiffany for 10% off. You can also use code Luna. So yeah, the packaging is gorgeous. I'm actually quite impressed. Every month you get these really cute little pouches that are made out of cloth and ribbon. This one was a little funky, but normally they're not like that. So yeah, let's open it together and see what's going on. Again, I've chosen the gold tone box because I wanted to see if their gold tone actually comes off, which is what I've usually experienced with other brands. But I have to say their gold tone stays on even though you would not want to shower in this jewelry. So there's 3 pieces. Every month you get 3 pieces, and let's see what we've got here. So this is really pretty. It's very springy. This is the March box. And everyone gets the same pieces, so check it out. Look at this beautiful bracelet. Then this is a necklace, and this is a pair of earrings. I have not ever received a ring from Jewlybox, so I don't know, maybe they don't do rings, but that's okay. And look, so this is the bracelet, and it's really festive, very pretty, very good quality. Gold tone. Again, you can choose silver, but look at how pretty that looks on. It's very, very springy, and I'm liking this a lot. It'll look very good with the white skirt for spring. It's adjustable, which is really nice, and the gold tone is a nice gold. Here are the earrings, and these are super cute with crystals, and they're actually earring jackets with studs. And now this is my favorite piece. This is just a gold tone chain, but guys, it's like 100 inches long. And JTV sells these in sterling silver, and they're like $100. QVC also sells one in silver. They're pretty pricey for a chain. So I was so excited to get this from Jewlybox in gold tone because you can wear it so many different ways. So that's awesome. Now here I am showing you the bracelet. It's pretty large, but it's not heavy. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And you guys know I'm completely honest in these reviews. I was not paid for this video, but they just asked me to open up the jewelry on camera and give my honest thoughts. Here are the earrings. They are a nice size, and I just think they're very springy and very pretty. You know, very, very pretty and easy to style. So pretty. Now here is that chain. Look at it. I can't even show you the whole chain. It's so classic and simple. Can you tell that this is my favorite piece? It's so versatile. Like, I love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And so now I'm showing it to you knotted. I knotted it. I mean, there's so many ways to wear it, and it has a clasp. And then I layered it 3 times. I love it. So guys, check out Jewlybox. I will link everything below. Take care. Bye, Glamazons.